in 2023, what you want to do is pay off your debt. And if you can't pay it all off, at least try to pay it down. The high inflation that we have in 2023, that needs to be your motivator. Stay away from credit cards. Credit cards have the highest interest rate. You're just wasting money down the drain. And number 3 would be save money for emergency. Don't use your credit card for emergency purposes. The next thing would be to invest your money if you have the means, that is. Investing is a good idea, and research it and learn about how to invest your money. Don't just put your money in someone else's hand, someone who can manage your money and finance. Don't completely trust them. You shouldn't trust anybody with your money. You need to learn and do some research, at least know the basics.